Hi and welcome to Geeks for Geeks. In this tutorial, we will start learning about iterators in Python. Python lists, tuples, dictionaries and sets are all examples of inbuilt iterators. Here are examples of inbuilt iterator types. In the first case, we have a list and we are accessing it using a simple for I in L loop. In the second case, we have a tuple and we are using the same method to access the values. Similarly, in the third case, we have a string and a dictionary in the last case. Let's run this code. We can see that we are able to access all the values using for I in L loop. There are many other built-in iterators in the module Itertools. To use them, we must import Itertools. Let's first discuss the accumulate and chain iterator. Accumulate iterator takes two arguments, iterable function and the function which would be followed at each iteration of value in the target. If no function is passed, addition takes place by default. If the input iterable is empty, the output iterable will also be empty, obviously. The chain function is used to print all the values in the iterable targets one after another mentioned in its arguments. Here's an example to show the working for both of them. In this, we have three different lists. In the first case, we are using the accumulate without the second parameter. Next, we are printing it using the multiply parameter. Here, we are chaining all the three lists. Let's run this code. We can see that in the first case, the cumulative sum of the first list is printed. In the second case, the cumulative product for the same list is printed. And in the last case, all the lists are combined to form a one big list. Next, let's discuss the compress function. This iterator selectively picks the values to print from the passed container according to the Boolean list passed as the other argument. The argument corresponding to the Boolean true are printed, else all are skipped. Here's the implementation for the same. We have a string GeeksforGeeks and a Boolean list. We can see that only those alphabets are printed having corresponding Boolean value equal to 1. Next, let's discuss the drop while and false filter functions. Drop while iterator starts printing the values only after the function in the argument returns false for the first time. False filter prints only those values that returns false for the passed function. Let's run this code. For this list, we can see that in the first case, when x module 2 equal to 0 returns false, after that, all the values are printed. In the second case, only those values are printed for which x module 2 equal to 0 returns false. So, in this tutorial, we learnt about iterators in Python. We will continue learning about them in the coming tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments in the comment section.